Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about Minswap yield farming. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Minswap is nothing but a Cardano based decentralized exchange where you can farm tokens. So as you can see the price of Cardano, it's like close to 30 cents, 36 cents you can say, and the all-time high was about $3. And this token has a huge potential because it's like top 10 tokens as per the market cap currently. And if we check the Minswap price, it's close to 3 cents and it's rising. I'm not promoting these tokens by any way, but do your own research before investing into any crypto because crypto investment is risky. The thing with Minswap and Cardano is like I've already have some Cardano balance on my centralized exchange, and just to try out the Minswap decentralized exchange, I have some ADA and Minswap tokens on my Yoroi wallet. I will be increasing my Minswap holdings in the future because I personally think that this token will rise in the future because it's just a start, and hopefully we can achieve the result similar to Pancake Swap or maybe Uniswap in the future with this Cardano decentralized exchange. So this is their website minswap.org. So as you can see, the total value locked is around 160 million, and in the past 24-hour volume was close to 500,000. That is half a million ADA, and there are total 2,077 pools. And the daily emissions is like they emit like they give around 670,000 Minswap tokens, and in total, close to 800 million Minswap tokens are in circulation. And if you check the current market cap, it's like 70 million ADA tokens. So they have this option of earning. So you can provide liquidity and then farm, and they also have this something called as Zappin. Zappin meaning it will buy and sell for you certain tokens at equal amount and add it into liquidity pool. So these are some of the tokens that are giving the highest APR. So if you check Minswap is giving like 32.51% returns, and then there is also called a Snake, which is like 154% APR. So if we go and so I've all you have to do is go and press launch app over here. So this will pop up, and then what you can do is basically you need to connect your wallet. I've already connected my wallet here, Yoroi. I like your Yoroi wallet because it also has an Android and App Store app, so you can download it and check it on your mobile also. So as you can see, I have already have some balance of Minswap tokens over here and only three ADA. I'll be transferring some ADA tokens from a centralized exchange over here, maybe by end of the day today. So if we go ahead and trade over here, uh, if we check three ADA, if you put three ADA over here and select the token Minswap, so you can go ahead and swap this. So as you can see, it's showing insufficient ADA balance because we need to consider the better fees also over here and deposit ADA. So both of them are like around two ADA tokens. So that's why I will need more than three ADA. So I think I will be putting around 300 ADA tokens maybe on this Yoroi wallet today, and then you can go ahead and swap it if you only want to hold Minswap tokens. And then the second thing is you can go ahead and add liquidity. So what this will do is like it will give you liquidity pool tokens over here. So as you can see, the highest one total locked value is like close to 65 million ADA tokens over here with a volume of around close to 1 million ADA. So if we go ahead and click on this, and if we click on add liquidity, again I cannot add the liquidity because of my insufficient ADA balance over here. But if I click on max, so I will require around 37 ADA tokens if I want to go ahead and add this to liquidity, so I can earn some liquidity pool tokens over here. But since I cannot do it right now, there is another option called as Zap, but I won't do it right now because then it will sell half of my min. I want to keep these min tokens with me. Now you can go to farm, and then as you can see, if we click over here, If we stake our ADA and Mint tokens over here, you will be getting like 28.34% Mint tokens with a small amount of ADA tokens also. And then there is a trading fee of around 0.53%, which is pretty less, which is like for 30 days. So if we go ahead and click on stake over here, so as you can see, no tokens, you can add liquidity. So first I will need to add liquidity, which I talked about over here in the pool, because then it will give me this liquidity pool tokens. And once I have those enough tokens, I can go ahead and lock this or stake it over here. But I would advise is don't do it for a shorter term, do it for a longer term, unless and until if you are like planning on investing million plus dollars over here, then you can do some short term staking. But I would advise is like do it for maybe 3 months, 6 months, or a year. Then you will start getting returns out of it. So this is how you can go ahead and stake the tokens. And then in the past you can see all the orders that you have completed. So I've swapped like ADA for min input, and I got this min tokens over here, which is complete. And then they have something called as a launch ball, where new crypto tokens they will be launching it soon. So there is no live launch currently going on, and then there would be upcoming launch which is not here, and there are a couple of completed launch over here. And governance, you don't have to worry much about it. And if you check my wallet over here, as you can see, I have small amount of Minswap and ADA tokens. So this is how you can start earning on this Cardano decentralized exchange. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.